Hello, everybody. Welcome to your Talking Fitchburg headlines on this Wednesday, August 20th, 2025. I'm Jeremy Crosby. Hope you're having a great day. Glad you're tuning in with us for your TF headlines. We start with recycling drop-off site. We have the fall recycling event coming up, but I thought it was a good time to remind you that the recycling drop-off site is open to you and serves many different purposes. I try to remind you of this throughout the year, but the Fitchburg Recycling Drop-Off Center site accepts yard waste, cardboard, scrap metal, white block polyurethane, used motor oil and oil filters, and invasive species. All at the Public Works Maintenance Facility located at 2373 South Fish Hatchery Road. The facility is open to Fitchburg residents during daylight hours only, and you should note that surveillance cameras are in place for violators who drop off unacceptable items. You will be ticketed. We will find you because camera captures everything. Let's talk about some of those things that are collected, though. Yard waste, non-invasive. Place yard waste in container bunker. No brush larger than thumb size in diameter. Remove from bags. Reuse and dispose of empty bags in the dumpster near the yard waste area. Invasive species. Place those bags in the invasive species dumpster marked yard waste bags, invasive plants, and empty motor oil containers. If you need any more information on invasive species, we do have a full page that breaks that down. Scrap metal, remove non-metal parts, including rubber, plastic, and fabric materials, and place it in the metal-only dumpster. Cardboard, make sure you flatten those boxes. All boxes need to be flattened and placed in the cardboard dumpsters labeled cardboard only. Do not leave recycling materials outside of those dumpsters. Motor oil, pour the motor oil in the tank, close the lid after use, discard the empty container in the dumpster labeled. And oil filters, place those oil filters in the neatly in the drum, close the lid after use. White block polyurethane, place that in the dumpster marked white block polyurethane. Break it up if needed. No packing peanuts are allowed in there. Prohibited items, things that are not collected at the drop-off site. Dehumidifiers, carpet, construction materials, tires, furniture, appliances, electronics, and refuse. Any of those found and we find you, you will be ticketed. Sign up for Notify Me to stay ahead of the game on what's happening in the city of Fitchburg. Sign up for Notify Me on the city's website to stay connected. Choose from the topics you are interested in, and then you will receive alerts via text or email, your choice. Simple way to keep track of meeting, events, construction projects, and so much more. Sign up today. Notify Me page is right on our homepage, fitchburgwi.gov. It takes mere minutes to sign up and get the latest information. The Great Gatsby Cooking and Entertaining. This is coming up at the Fitchburg Public Library on Friday, September 26th. You're going to want to get this one on the calendar. Celebrating 100th anniversary of The Great Gatsby, April 10th of 1925. Stepping into the culinary world of the Roaring Twenties with the Jazz Age and the backdrop author Veronica Hinke will take us through the dishes and drinks that grace the tables of J. Gatsby lavish parties. Savor flavors and study some, anything and everything you can think of that era, they're going to discuss and walk through. It's going to be so much fun, and I would suggest that you get to sign up for this pretty quickly. Again, Friday, September 26th is when that is going to be taking place. It's at 10:30 a.m. at the Fitchburg Public Library. Walk with a Doc, let's say that right, is on Saturday, September 6th. Take a step towards better health. Walk with a Doc. Begins on May 3rd of this year. It started earlier, but at 9 a.m. And continues for the first Saturday of every month. This is a walking program that is fun and safe. Join local physicians from dedicated family care in Fitchburg. Bring your questions and maybe even learn a tour thing while you're walking and getting some exercise. It's from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. at McKee Farms Park. Meet at the shelter. And I've heard that this is a lot of fun. Like, a lot of people enjoy this. So you definitely want to get on the list if you can. Just come out and ask your questions. And the pig roast for the Fitchburg Center Farmers Market is coming up this week. Join us on Thursday, August 21st from 3 to 6 p.m. for our annual pig roast at the Fitchburg Farmers Market, along with your favorite local offerings from vendors, music, and lots of other things going on. It's at $14 a plate. You're going to get pulled pork, beans, coleslaw, and chips, benefiting Luke's Closet, a nonprofit giving aid to children in foster or kinship families in Dane County. Water is available for purchase as well. The market runs from 3 to 6 p.m. This Thursday, August 21st at the Agora Pavilion, 5511 East Sherrill Parkway here in Fitchburg. Have a great day, everybody. We'll see you back here tomorrow.